endless video after
Someone's
video
gonna make a meme
after
out of that.
video
Endless.
after video after video. Firemen, policemen, witness after witness after witness after witness. There's all on video. All in video, right when it happens, and then the bombs went off, and then before that plane, and then bombs were just, and then the whole lobby was just bombs, and then we turned around, we were going down the elevator, and the elevator blew up, and everyone's saying bombs. The newscasters are saying while they're there, everyone's saying bombs are going off everywhere. They took all that shit and fucking buried it.
2 or 3 minutes ago, there was yet another collapse or explosion. I'm now out of sight. A Good Samaritan has taken me in on Duane Street, but at 11:15, there was another collapse or explosion following the 10:30 collapse of the second tower. And a firefighter who rushed by estimated that 50 stories went down.
Zero, running in the streets is the only form of escape. But on those same streets, the chaos and vibrations couldn't be avoided.
The survivors in the ruins of Stairwell B come to realize that it may take days for rescue workers to reach them.
At one point, we had an explosion that came by that was pretty close, and it shook the stairway. I was afraid that we might possibly survive the collapse and then get severely injured when we had a secondary collapse.
Just coming up now.
There are the press agents and everybody else that went the other way as everybody else went this way.
When you saw this collapse taking place, could you see if there were a lot of people on the ground near the building as it was happening?
No, I was further north than you were, but I was dead looking at 6th Avenue, the view you see of both towers as you come down 6th Avenue.
Right.
So, and most of this fallout stops about there. No, I was further north than you were, but I was dead looking at 6th Avenue, the view you see of both towers as you come down 6th Avenue.
Right.
So, and most of this fallout stops about there. Went the other way as everybody else went this way.
When you saw this collapse taking place, could you see if there were a lot of people on the ground near the building as it was happening?
No, I was further north than you were, but I was dead looking at 6th Avenue, the view you see of both towers as you come down 6th Avenue.
Right.
So, and most of this fallout stops about there.
An eyewitness to the World Trade Center attack, an extremely audacious terrorist attack against the World Trade Centers in New York. Jim Fish, the BBC's Jim Fish, has...
What's happening? What's happening? Just they're waiting for
The second tower, this is the one that had the TV antenna on top, simply imploding on itself. 100 on top, simply on top, simply on top, simply imploding on itself.
Pouring out of the World Trade Center at this moment. They're pouring out of the World Trade Center at this moment. Pouring out of the World Trade. Pouring out of the World Trade. Pouring out of the World Trade Center at this moment. They're pouring out of the World Trade Center at this moment. Pouring out of the World Trade. Pouring out of the World Trade.
Saw a second plane crash into the second tower of the World Trade Center. We later got word of a plane apparently crashing into the Pentagon. Word that the White House had been evacuated. Now the Capitol and the Treasury also having been evacuated. What we have not heard yet are casualty figures for what is obviously a massive disaster at the World Trade Center, and there is no doubt massive loss of life there.
Well, Lee, I'm here live outside of City Hall. The entire, as you can imagine, it is absolute chaos here. The entire city has come to a standstill. Everyone just standing, looking at the smoke pouring out of the World Trade Center at this moment. They're pouring out of the World Trade Center at
that only explosives can create this kind of waves. when you hit a solid, the frequency is above 10 Hertz. And here, the frequency which was recorded is under 0.5, 0.6, 0.5 Hertz. And only explosives or earthquakes can create this kind of wave frequencies. Explosions. They record only what I said, subaerial and subterranean explosions. And we can see that the Tower 1 was collapsed by subterranean, an important subterranean explosion, but the Tower 2 and the Tower 7 was collapsed only by explosion at the surface, the round surface.